Good morning, dear students. So, in the last class, we learned about simple present tense and simple past tense. Okay, so today we are going to learn using the linkers. Okay, which all the linkers and, but, or, and so. So, how to use these four linkers we are going to learn in today's class. These linkers are also called as conjunctions. So, why we use these linkers or conjunctions? To connect clauses in a sentence or to clauses means a sentence or a group of word which contains subject and verb. Okay, so these linkers are used to connect clauses in a sentence. Clauses means it's a small part of sentence. Okay, so see here, and, but, or, so, these all are called as linkers or conjunctions. So where all we are going to use these things? See, first one, and. Where and we are going to use? We are going to use and to combine sentences if their meanings are well, like they go well together. See, if now two sentences or two parts of sentences are there. Okay, so then like if after joining those sentences, if both sentences are going to give a good meaning or both are going to match correctly, then only we are going to use and. Okay, and next, see, where we are going to use or we are going to use in a sentence, like, or we are going to use to combine sentences that shows a choice. Okay, which is going to show us a choice, where that there we are going to use or. See here, you can see the example. Would you like to have tea or coffee? Or choice we have given, right? So we are going to use or to combine sentences that shows a choice. Next, we are going to use but. Where we are going to use but? We are going to use but to combine sentences that carry opposite thoughts. See, now first sentence is positive one and the next sentence is going to carry some opposite thought. Then only we are going to use but. See there, the river knocked over a farmer's haystack, but he did not care. Here, river has knocked his farm. Everything the river has spoiled. Now he has to be angry, but he is not. Okay, so there we are going to use but. And so, where we are going to use so? When we are going to combine sentences, and the first sentence is showing us a situation and second sentence is giving us the result for that situation. See here, I was thirsty, so I bought a water of bottle. First, I was thirsty, it's showing the situation. What the situation was? The person was thirsty. Now, so I bought a water bottle. So I bought a water bottle. So here it's giving the result. What result? He was thirsty, so he brought the water bottle. Okay, so here we learnt about how to use and, or, but, and so. Okay, so just see here the exercise. See, use the linkers and, or, but, and so to complete these sentences. First one, the police ran after him, but he escaped. See, police ran. He would have caught the whoever, the thief or any person, but he didn't catch that person. That is why the sentence became opposite. So they have used but. The police ran after him, but he escaped. Second one, I had sandwiches and a banana for breakfast. Third one, is the musical concert on on Saturday or Sunday? Here choice is there, whether Saturday or Sunday. Fourth one, I loved the jar, so I bought one. Here, I loved the jar. This is the situation. And I bought one. This is the result. Fifth one, Lavanya and Derek are reading in the library. Sixth one, he was smiling, but I knew how disappointed he was. Seventh one, do I take the right or the left from the stationery mart? Eighth one, he was late, so he missed the flight. Ninth one, the cinema hall and the sports complex are very close to my house. 10th one, you could pay in cash or by card. Here option they have given cash or card. Okay, so I hope all of you understood about linkers or conjunctions, how these linkers are going to combine sentences and give us the correct meaning. Okay, once again just read, watch the video and understand. Thank you, students.